Hi, I'm Nikhil, and I head product at Unacast.
And I'm Madeline, and I head solutions and custom analytics, also at Unacast. Well, in short, location data tells you how people interact with places over time.
Yeah, so this usually comes as GPS signals. So we collect billions of these over many days. It's essentially a device ID tied to a lat long and a timestamp, and then we have to do a lot of work to actually turn that into something useful. So location data has application across many verticals, from transportation research to retail, and a lot of these businesses don't traditionally have a lot of data that they can rely on.
Yeah, so location data actually replaces these assumptions that they use for business decisions with concrete information. We recently did a study that shows the location of a hotel actually influences the engagement level or the time spent at nearby attractions. But beyond just for corporate purposes, location data can actually be leveraged for social impact as well. So the hard part about using location data is actually extracting signals from the location data itself. Absent a team of location data experts in-house, a lot of companies struggle to leverage the value from location data. At Unacast, what we do is clean the data, extract value for you, and build these curated data sets.
Yes, a great example of how you can use these data sets is our customers have used visitation to basically build models that predict which neighborhoods or which zip codes are most likely to visit a particular brand or category of place.